Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is IRC News and I'm Joey Stephen, an authorized Canadian immigration practitioner bringing out this Canadian job opportunity for foreign nationals. This video is specifically for immigration clients and Polinsys clients. Today is the 24th of September 2022 and I'm coming to you from the Polinsys studios in Cambridge, Ontario. The Student Herald, a licensed Canadian recruitment firm, has released information for job requirements for foreign nationals, possibly leading to Canadian permanent residence. This is an opportunity for those with work experience in Canadian NOC code 7511 bearing job title transport truck drivers, coming under category C. If you have work experience in this job title, then check out the details of this job on your Canadian Authorized Representative's website, myar.me/jobs. Your Canadian Authorized Representative also provides guidance on how to apply. This position is from the province of Ontario. Employer-driven programs are one of the fastest ways to reach Canada, leading to Canadian permanent residence. The two popular employer-driven programs are the AIPP and the RNIP. Most provinces also have their own independent employer-driven programs as well. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian job opportunities and immigration data analysis. And if you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, you can learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which are posted on our website polinsys.com/p. Please follow guidance from the Canadian government on who can charge you for Canadian immigration services. Please follow the redirect link. It will take you directly to the Canadian government website polinsys.co/rep. And if you want to obtain free evaluation directly from a Canadian Authorized Representative, please visit free immigration evaluation for multiple pathways, myar.me/evaluationxx. From all of us at IRC News and from your Polinsys team, we thank you for watching. If you like this news, please like this video. And if you want to receive more notifications about more job posts, please subscribe to this channel.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side.